Morning, we got another beautiful picture in of Saturday's supermoon. Absolutely spectacular. Richard Roble took this picture of the moon rising just behind the Sandias here Saturday evening, and of course the moon was in perigee, meaning it was very close to our orbit, the closest it has been in 18 years, making it appear very large and also extra bright last Saturday night. And so of course we saw a full moon then. The moon will be nice and bright too. That of course for the first day of spring, and with spring comes the milder temperatures, and we're going to be dealing with the wind as well. Temperatures right now this morning in the 30s up to the north, 28 in Taos, 45 in the metro, and we're in the 40s and 50s down across southern New Mexico. Those will climb quickly, especially as those winds get going. Winds today will be out of the south and southwest, anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained across much of the state, and then we could see those gusts up around 40 or even 50 miles per hour across the whole state of New Mexico. High risk of fire danger for everyone today, even up in the southwestern part of Colorado. So red flag warnings in effect for everyone. And then we're going to see extremely high winds out across the western part of the state, also the East Mountains and down into the Guadalupe Mountains, where winds there could approach 70 miles per hour. Some of those higher gusts, and visibilities could be reduced to below 1 mile at times with that dust blowing around. And of course, with the winds being out of the west and southwest, we're going to see dangerous crosswinds across any north and south bound highways, so definitely keep that in mind if you're going to be out on the roads today. As far as the rain is concerned, we will see some of it try to get into the Four Corners region. It's out over Arizona right now. That whole system is going to head our way, but lose a lot of moisture as it does move our way. The biggest impact, of course, across the state out of that system is going to be the winds that will be continuing to pick up as we head through the day. Gusty winds ahead of this next storm system, and then as we head into the overnight hours tonight and through early tomorrow morning, we'll see the chance for a little light snow up near Durango, perhaps some rain and snow in the northwestern part of the state, and perhaps some spotty snow up into our northern mountains. So you're not going to see very much out of the system at all. It will be a very quick hitter. It'll be out of our hair as we head through tomorrow. Winds tomorrow will still be pretty high, but those will finally calm down as we head into Wednesday. And of course, as that system clears out, we'll start to see more sunshine moving in with dry conditions as we head through the rest of the work week. Your forecast now region by region for the northwest. Partly cloudy with winds gusting to around 55 miles per hour today. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s for Durango and Pagosa Springs, and then we'll be in the 60s to around 70 down in the northwestern part of New Mexico. 65 in Farmington today with a chance for a few showers tonight into early tomorrow morning. Then drier conditions for the rest of the week with highs in the 50s and 60s. Down in the southwest, a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Very windy conditions there and high fire danger for the southwest, and that will be the case for the southeast too. Plenty of sunshine, though, with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, low 90s for Roswell and Artesia and Carlsbad. Those will be the warm spots in the southeast today. We'll be back into the mid 80s tomorrow and then back to the low 90s as we head toward the end of the week on Friday. And you can see those conditions stay dry for the next 7 days. North and east, a few clouds around with temperatures in the 70s and low 80s this afternoon. 86, though, in Conchas, 75 in Las Vegas. Northern mountains looking at extremely windy conditions. Temperature-wise, feeling like spring, though, near 60 for Red River, 64 for Angel Fire, 70 degrees for the capital today. Santa Fe looking at a high of 70. A little cooler tomorrow in the mid-50s and then 60s as we head toward the end of the work week, with conditions continuing to stay dry. East Mountains, a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the low to mid 70s and very windy conditions there as well. And for the metro, looking at partly to mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, very windy conditions here as well with winds gusting to around 50 miles per hour. It will be cooler tomorrow with highs around 60, then back to near 70 as we head toward the end of the work week.